Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that is often overlooked, especially from beginner riders, and that is what it actually costs to ride a motorcycle. So whether you are a beginner rider or maybe you're looking to upgrade your motorcycle, understanding the costs involved will help you not only budget better, but avoid surprises. So let's break it down. So first up, we are going to take a look at motorcycles. The motorcycle itself. A used motorcycle can start at thousands of dollars, such as the Yamaha MT-03, which is my beginner bike, which only cost me $3,600 used. And it can range anywhere from a brand new bike, which my boyfriend has a Ducati Multistrada, which is tens of thousands of dollars. So there is a wide range of budgets that go along with motorcycles. The next most important thing that you're gonna need to budget is your gear. I definitely underestimated how much gear was gonna cost, so I'm gonna break down what items you are gonna need to get for your safety and how much they cost. Now we prefer Shoei helmets. I have the RFSR and Chris has the Neotech 2, which range from $399 to $999. Now, as far as jackets, we have multiple jackets. We have a summer mesh jacket that allows airflow, and we like to ride year long. So we also have some winter jackets as well as rainproof jackets. For gloves, again, we have a mesh version for the summer, which allows airflow, and it also has the palm guards and our winter gloves for the colder months. There's also a variety of accessories that you can buy for your helmet. I have a brake-free, which helps me stay visible, as well as the Cardo Pack Talk Edge. You're also going to want to invest in basic rider training. I'm pretty sure my motorcycle safety foundation class was around $350, if I remember correctly, but you can expect a range between $200 and $500, depending on what course you take. You're also going to have to consider all of the licensure costs, your annual premium for your insurance, and your registration fees. All of these are going to vary by state depending on where you live, but here is a breakdown of what you can expect to pay for these items. Now that we broke down the cost of buying a motorcycle, investing in safety gear, and investing in proper training, let's take a look at what our maintenance costs are going to be annually. Remember, these are just estimates and your individual circumstances and personal choices can have an effect on those budgets. But riding a motorcycle can be a cost-effective alternative to driving a car, but that doesn't come without its own expenses. Proper planning ensures that you can enjoy the ride without any financial stress. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos. Until next time, ride safe.